In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw Fibonacci retracement on TradingView. This is a powerful tool for traders that can help you identify potential support and resistance levels, allowing you to make more informed trading decisions. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open up TradingView. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so, and then load the chart of the asset you're interested in analyzing. This could be any asset like stocks, forex, or cryptocurrencies. Once the chart is loaded up and ready, your chart is your starting point for adding the Fibonacci retracement. Now, to find the Fibonacci tool, head over to the left-hand side toolbar on your screen. You'll notice there an array of drawing tools. These are essential for technical analysis. Among these tools, look for the one that's specifically labeled as Fib Retracement. It's usually represented by an icon that resembles a percentage or a series of horizontal lines. If you happen to not see it immediately, don't worry. You might need to click on a small arrow or expand the Drawing Tools menu to locate it. Once you've found the Fib Retracement icon, it's time to use it. Next up, it's vital to select your swing high and swing low on the chart. These are the points between which you want to analyze. For an uptrend, you'll need to click once at the swing low point and then drag your cursor to the swing high point, clicking once more to set it in place. Conversely, if you're analyzing a downtrend, you'll start at the swing high and drag down to the swing low. It's as simple as clicking and dragging, effectively a drawing exercise with your cursor as the pencil. After you've plotted these points, you'll notice several horizontal lines magically appear on your chart. These lines represent key Fibonacci retracement levels, significant being 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, and 78.6%. They stretch between your two set points, offering potential areas where the price of the asset might experience support or resistance as it moves within the trend. Should you need to adjust your Fibonacci levels, whether you've changed your analysis or want to correct an error, you can easily click and drag either end of the Fibonacci tool. This flexibility ensures your tool aligns perfectly with the high and low points you've identified. If customization is more your style, you have options here too. Simply right-click on those Fibonacci lines and select Settings. You're then welcome to change the colors, switch up the line styles, and even add or remove specific Fibonacci levels to suit your analysis preferences. This way, the Fibonacci retracement can be tailored to better match your charting style or make it more visually intuitive. With these steps, you now have a Fibonacci retracement drawn on your TradingView chart, helping you in strategizing your next move in the financial markets.